Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. This is workout number 17 and we're targeting our shoulders and triceps. I try to go really heavy in this workout again. This would be the third workout in a row of going really heavy, but specifically on the shoulder press. I almost fully maxed out and I noticed that doing the shoulder press with all four resistance bands engaged is a lot harder than the chest press or the biceps. And the reason is that the glide board goes even higher on the railing when I'm fully extended. So the resistance bands are fully extended or fully stressed compared to the other exercises, as I mentioned, the chest press or the bicep curls. So on the fourth set, specifically on the shoulder press, I only got about 7 reps in, and then I had to, remove one of the 25-pound resistance bands to complete the set. So that was a little side note. So for workout number 17, we're doing 2 circuits with 3 exercises per circuit, 10 reps per exercise, and doing 4 sets. We'll be taking a 30-second rest between sets. I'll provide the timer, and we're increasing in resistance or elevation on the tower with the completion of each set. Circuit 1, we have shoulder press, tricep pull downs, straight arm raise. Circuit 2, we have inverted shoulder press, lying tricep extensions, and inverted lateral raise. I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump around to each circuit as needed, but I highly recommend that you just follow along and complete the whole exercise. Alright, here we have circuit number 1 with the shoulder press, and like I mentioned, I'm starting the first set with 1 resistance band at 20 pounds, and ultimately by the 4th set I'll have all 4 resistance bands engaged for a total of 90 pounds of resistance. Alright, jumping right into the tricep pull downs. We're laying on the glide board and you want minimal movement in your shoulders with this workout. Alright, we have the kneeling straight arm raise. You want a straight posture with this one. Do not hunch over. Keep your arms straight, pull to the top to complete the exercise. Alright, we're starting circuit number 2 with the inverted shoulder press. And I'm laying low on the glide board because I want to get my chest at the wing bar attachment area on the decline. And then you want to fully extend outward to complete this exercise. Alright, jumping right into the lying tricep extensions. And this exercise specifically is very efficient because you're lying on the glide board and you can't hunch over. You can't use your back. Your triceps, your arms are very isolated. So it's a very, like I mentioned, very efficient workout. Alright, jumping right into the inverted lateral raise. You want your elbows slightly bent with this exercise. I'm at the 5th or 6th level on the tower in terms of resistance. Alright everyone, that's the end of workout number 17 where we targeted the shoulders and triceps. You saw me fail on the shoulder press on the 4th set trying to max out the machine, but what's important is that I finished the set. If you followed along and completed the exercise, let me know how it went in the comment section. I always appreciate feedback. Hope this content is helping. We'll see you on the next workout, workout number 18. Thanks for watching. God bless.